Nico!
Bella casa.
Got me thinking that it might be a good idea to take her with me. She's ready to leave. Well, let's go! And I gotta keep it real now, cause on the 1 to 10, she's a certified 20. But that just ain't me. Hey! Cause I know if I take that chance, she swears it's gonna leave. But what